Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 potential altcoins to buy right now at the end of October. So as you guys can see here in the past 24 hours, the market has been pretty much flat, up about 0.08%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be a Symbol Protocol, which is trading at 10 cents right now, up about 20% or so. So it's trading at about 8 cents and we made about a 2 cent gain right there. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin at 31.6 billion volume, 14.9 billion on Ethereum. Bitcoin's actually down about 1% or so. Ethereum is trading here flat, so Bitcoin's at 62,000, Ethereum at 4,200 right now. We see the other big coins like Binance or Cardano also following that same pattern, pretty much flat right there. Solana taking a little bit of a pullback down 2% or so. Ripple's up 1%. Dogecoin is up 1.5%, back into high 20s. We see Shiba Inu destroying it right now, up 17.62%, almost trading into 5. So we're at 0.00004896. Close, that will be a 5 right there, and we continue to go higher and higher over I believe right now 10.3 billion market cap, right? No, actually higher, even higher right now, 19.4 billion market cap on Shiba Inu. So the market cap is starting to climb up, very, very quickly. We're less than halfway away, just from getting back to the Dogecoin, area right there. So Shiba continues to go higher, and some people are making a lot of gains that got in on Shiba very early. We see some other big gainers here. Terra is up 9.6%, Uniswap 5%, Avalanche 7%. We talked about Avalanche in yesterday's video. We have Polygon down here 11%, Cosmos 16%. A lot of nice gainers that we're going to be talking about in today's video, guys. So before we get into it, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 125 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. We're almost at 45,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you guys so much. As always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying. So the first altcoin on the list is going to be Theta. So Theta gang right here, we're up about 8.37% here in the past 24 hours. In the past week or so, we're up 24%. In the past month, 42%. Massive gains have been made here with Theta. Theta saw a pullback here to about $4 or so at the end of September, beginning of October, and we saw it go from that $4 area all the way up to high sevens right now, and we continue to go higher and higher, over a 70% gain right there. If we take a look here at the 1 year chart, we're up over 1,000% here. So last year in October, we were trading at around 66 cents. We went up to highs all the way up here at around $16 in April, pulled back down with the whole market all the way to about 360, came back up actually to highs of about $9, so almost a 200% gain right there. And then obviously now we pulled back down with some consolidation going on with Theta right now currently. So 1,000% is a massive gain, obviously, which means if you would have invested $1,000 into Theta last year, you'd be up over $10,000 in profit right now, which is obviously an insane gain. You can just scale that up and imagine, how much you could have made in total. So currently 7.3 billion market cap on Theta, 347.1 million volume right there, 45.5% higher than it usually is. All-time high on the coin, almost at $16, like we said, as this coin continues to rise on higher. So if we're looking at these all-time highs, we have about 100% upside just to get back to the all-time high. So if that was to happen, we'll be currently, at that level, we would be trading at around a 15 billion market cap, which is obviously double what we're at right now at 7.3 billion. So that coin would just continue to go rise on higher as the market cap continues to go and as volume continues to rise as well. So Theta continues to make, great moves right there, and everything continues to look good for us. So that's going to be our first altcoin on the list. Our second altcoin is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So Matic right here, up about 11% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.81. If we take a look here at the 1 week chart, we're up about 22.18%, guys. So this coin was trading at around $1.44 just here last year in October, and it continues to rise on higher and higher. If we look here at the 1 month chart, we're up about 61.45% or so from the low $1 level, and we continue to move on higher and higher. On the 1 year chart, it's up over 10,838%. So massive gains right there. As in last October, we were trading at around 1 penny, almost 2 pennies right there, 0.0158. We continue to move on higher here as green coins start to get more, noticeable, I guess you could say, here in May when Elon Musk said that they would not be accepting Bitcoin anymore for, the Teslas. A lot of these greener coins started to shoot on higher. And Polygon was definitely one of those coins that went from about $1 all the way to close to $3, pulled back down to $1, and then shot back up to $2 with a pullback here with the whole market in the low 70s or under that level at one point. We continue to move higher, hit levels here at around 174 or so, and we actually beat that currently right now in the past few days. We're going higher and higher, so this downtrend, we're coming back up out of that channel, and hopefully once we break through that 170, 180 level, we continue to go higher towards the $2 level and continue to go even further after that. So if we take a look down here, 12.3 billion market cap currently on the coin, which is about 1.8 billion volume, 85% higher than it usually is. 75-day typical hold time on this coin, and it's ranked at number 16 coin on the popularity chart. So you guys can already see how Polygon has been climbing those charts very, very quickly. 51% buy activity and 49% sell activity on this coin. All-time high. It says 265, but it was actually close to $3 at one point. It's not, adding it up on there. Now, guys, if you're not familiar with this coin, Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus as well. So this coin, definitely plenty of upside for this coin to continue to go, especially as we get into more of the renewable energy in the future. I believe that this coin is going to continue to skyrocket on higher and gain more traction. So that's our second altcoin. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Atom right here, in the past 24 hours, we're up about 16.2%, trading at $41. In the past week, we're up 29.11%. And then on the 1 month chart, 4%. 1 year chart, 698%. So this coin was trading at around $4.50 last October. We hit highs here in February, continue to hit those and try to break through those resistance levels 3 times here. Couldn't break through, pulled back down with the rest of the market under $10 at one point, and then continued to go higher, close to about $45. So from that $10 level, we were up about 300% profit right there for anybody that got in and sold closer to the top. So a 300% return in a matter of 2 months. Those are some insane returns in my opinion. So Cosmos continues to make, traction right there. So 9.2 billion market cap currently, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.6 billion, which is around 251% higher than it usually is. So volume is definitely booming right now, which is helping this coin gain some momentum. As we saw, 16% just in the past 24 hours. That is due to that volume. So the supply and demand type situation. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be 37 days, ranked number 19 on the popularity rank. 51% buy activity and 49% sell activity. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. So staking is a huge thing, obviously, in the crypto space. So for anybody that is willing to risk some of their money, obviously, when you're staking, there's a high risk, high reward type situation because your coin could potentially go down, and it's a risky thing. But staking is another opportunity to get some more passive income, kind of like dividends or different things like that, because you're kind of locked in for a certain amount of time, and after that time you get a certain percentage back on the amount you staked. So staking, another big thing that we're going to be talking about on this channel very, very often, guys. So those are the 3 altcoins that we're going to be looking at. Now we're going to be looking at the rest of the market to see how everything is performing. Like we said, first of all, Solana down about 2.9% or so, trading around that 200 level again. Doge still trading around the mid 20s, close to the high 20s now. Finally, we're going to be watching Dogecoin for breaking out into the 30s. If we can break into the 30s or higher, it's going to be a nice move for Doge because we've been kind of stuck in the 20s for a few months now. So 35 billion market cap currently. Shiba Inu is the one we really want to talk about. This one is up over 17% here just in the past 24 hours, and that's something we like to see. So this coin continues to go higher and higher, even though there's not any crazy news going on around it, nothing big going on. I mean, people even asked Elon Musk if he owned any Shiba Inu. He said no, and then the coin continued to go higher. It doesn't make any sense. Here in the past week, we're up 71%. Past month, 570%. So pretty much, if you would have got into this coin last month with $1,000, you'd be up over $5,000 in profit, which is just insane to think about the returns that you could have got just by holding a coin in the past month or so. In the past year, the percentage is insane. I mean, for anybody that was actually holding here from last October or December, you're probably very rich right now, depending on how many coins you got, but the percentage is through the roof. It's insane. So next up, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down about 1% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 63,000. Now we're around the 62,000 area. In the past week, we're pretty much flat. In the past month, we're up almost 46% from lows of about 40,000 at one point, and we continue to go higher with the all-time high at 67,000. In the past year, we're up 376%. So this coin continues to go higher. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback here, maybe a consolidation for the next few weeks, and then another leg up, hopefully back into the high 70s. That would be a nice area to get to. Current market cap is going to be at 1.2 trillion. 36% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. Volume is up 2% higher than usual at 31.6 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 84 days. 55% buy activity and 45% sell activity currently on Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum, still at the same level pretty much that it was trading at yesterday, around this 4,200 area. In the past week, 12.5%. Past month, 44%. And then on the 1 year chart, almost 1,000% gain on Ethereum. So this coin is around a half a trillion market cap right now. So if you compare this to Tesla is about 2 times more valued than Ethereum right now, but Tesla is actually a company, and Ethereum is not, doesn't actually make profits or anything. So this is a very high obviously valuation for any of these coins. But half a trillion right there, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is down a little bit from usual, currently at around 15 billion. 81 typical hold time days, 64% buy activity, 36% sell activity on this coin. So we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidate a little bit, and we're waiting for that next leg up, maybe in the next few weeks, maybe in the beginning of November. So the end of October might be a little bit of a boring month, but we're going to be seeing gains happen hopefully towards the end of this month and going into next month. So November is hopefully going to be a nice month for us. We want to end the year on a green note. So 2021 November, December, we're hoping to make some nice gains and continue to go on higher, guys. So if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies you're currently buying. I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.